So I want to look at this exercise. What is the value of the angle with letter S? So given this circle with center O, BC is the arc, and this arc is extended to the circumference A at point A. So the angle at O is X, and the angle at A is 80 degrees. So we want to find angle X. So O is the center, and angle at the center is X. So we want to prove that the angle at the center BOC is twice 2BAC. So from the diagram, BOC, the angle is on O, so we have to label it that the angle is at O. So on BOC, the angle O is twice the one at the circumference A. So that is what we want to prove. So BOC, from the diagram, the angle O is small letter x. So we represent BOC with letter S, and is equal to 2 times BAC. The BAC is 80 degrees. So that's where we're having 2 times 80. So the angle at A is 80 degrees. So we have 2 times 80. So S is equal to 160. So we have to always be careful to put a degree whenever we finish solving angles. So we have 160 degrees to be the answer. So S is equal to 160 degrees. So exercise 2 say calculate the size of the angle with letter M. So this YZ is the arc with center O. M is the angle on X. So you have YZ. So YZ is the arc. So we want to prove that the angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. Remember, the circumference is X. So YOZ is equal to 2YZ. The angle is on O and X. So YOZ, from the diagram, the angle is 120 degrees. The angle at O is 120. So we replace it with 120 equal to 2 times M, because YZ is M. The angle on S, the circumference, is small letter M. So that's why we have 2 times M. So we can now multiply it. At 2 times M is 2M, which is equal to 120. So we can go ahead and divide both sides by the coefficient of M, which is 2. So 2M will be divided by 2, and is equal to 120 divided by 2. So when 2 divided by 2 we give you 1, cancel 2, we have 1, 1. Then this 2 will divide itself to give us 1, divide 120. When you divide 12, you have 6. Divide 0 to give 0. So we are left with M equal to 60. So because it's angle, we have to be careful with degree. So our M is equal to 60 degrees. That is our final answer. So you can see that from the diagram, the theorem is correct, because the angle at the center is really twice the one at the circumference. M is equal to 60. That means the angle on 0 at the center, which is O, is 60 times 2, which is 120 degrees. So we have finally proved the theorem. Thank you.